Today, we're talking about Cubo, this cute little robot. He's a coding robot. Whichever these points, when you code him, he goes that direction.
So this year we were able to expand our STEM program and our STEM summer camp program to 6 sites, 3 for elementary and 3 for middle school. And we are serving over 700 students in our STEM camps this summer. Our goal has been to make our STEM programs accessible to all of our students.
I really love the STEM camp because kids are able to do hands-on activities where they're able to explore things in science, technology, and engineering and math, but also it helps them learn perseverance when things are difficult because it's a lot of inquiry-based activities that we do.
Well, we're building cool stuff and we're coding. Coding's like hard, but if you get used to it, it'll be like a breeze. It's pretty fun to do, like robots. There you go.
Well, this week we've been working on some engineering designs of robotics. They've been putting together what they call a sumo bot. It's where they have to battle each other in different rounds and see who's going to come out the winner every day. When they lose or they have issues with their robotics, they go back and do a redesign. So they have to go back, just like an engineer, they have to go back and kind of figure out what didn't work, what did work, and fix it, readjust it, and then we go back for another battle the next day.
I've never really ever touched the robot kit, and when we took out the robot kits, I was so excited to see all the little robots and especially the motors.
Here with STEM Summer Camp, we are working on 3D printing with my class. So the kids are creating their own designs of their own model. Sometimes we have challenges, and it goes through the entire design process of whatever's in their head to a concrete example that comes out through the 3D printer.
I like at STEM camp, we get to explore 3D printing, which is something that's relatively new, and we can really get into it and just get really hands-on and make whatever we want.
So I find engagement levels very high, and the reason for that, I think, is a lot of the kids that are involved in our program are involved in it because they want to be. The kids that come here have an interest in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and that's why they come to join us, and they get to hang out with other like-minded kids.
Eventually, this will become our future, so it's a great learning opportunity.